So, how the business idea started? Nag-start tayo ng business ng small hardware ng 2011. The business revolves around retailing, selling, and buying bolts and nuts. Kaya name ng store ay Balayan Bolt Center. So, we are located at Balayan, Batangas. Now, it started way back 2011, actually sa Cebu pa. So, a friend of mine, nag-business siya, which is named Cebu Bolt Center. Tinulungan niya tayo magkaroon ng idea on how to start the business of retailing bolts and nuts. Since nakatira tayo sa Balayan, Batangas, ginawa natin, pinangalan natin na Balayan Bolts Center. So, was there a business plan? Actually, wala. Lahat nasa idea lang. No? Pero visually, nakita ko na kung paano pinapatakbo yung business sa Cebu. So, my friend there gave me the connections sa kanyang mga suppliers. And then, ang kanyang mga suppliers ay tinulungan tayo makapurchase ng initial stocks. So, sila na ngayon yung ating mga suppliers ng bolts and nuts. So, sources of funding. So, I work for a multinational company, Unilever, Sanofi Aventis. So, in the span of, I think, more than 15 years, nakapag-ipon-ipon tayo. So, just like any other employee, nagkaroon tayo ng ambition na mag-start ng business. So, when I was an employee, I made it a point, nagkaroon ng savings. Makaipon, na alam ko, in the future, kailangan ko para mag-source ng funds for the start of my business. So, ang challenges, napakadami. No? Actually, ang unang challenge sa'yo is yung motivation mo na magsimula. Execution. Kailangan kahit anong ganda ng plano mo, kung hindi mo naman siya i-start, baliwala. So, mag-start ka muna. Kahit konti, kahit maliit. And then from there, mag-analyze ka na. Kasi yung mga problems na hindi mo akalain ay lalabas pag nag-start ka na ng business. So, start small. Idea ko lang, start small muna. Yung kaya lang ng pera mo. Yung hindi ka malulubog ka agad sa utang. Kasi, ang chance of the business surviving ay almost 50-50 ngayon. No? Not all business ideas ay magandang takbo. Not all good businesses ay naglalast. So, yung survival rate napakahirap. So, you have to put in all your effort to really make the business succeed. So, yun ang challenges. Yung motivation sa sarili mo, your perseverance, kailangan talaga day in, day out. Ang utak mo is in your business. Kasi you have to make the business work. Especially kung may pamilya ka. So, at that time, nag-resign na ako. Alam ko hindi na makakabalik sa trabaho. So, I have to make double effort talaga to make the business succeed. Did they use social media? Nung start tayo, hindi pa uso yung marketplace ng Facebook. Pero nowadays, active na tayo sa social media. We have postings sa Facebook. We have regular postings. Kasi nga, ang Facebook ngayon, marketplace, ay isa yan sa mga credibility ng isang tindahan or isang small business na talaga tumatakbo siya na maayos when you are present in the social media sphere. Kasi halos lahat ng tao, kahit ng mga ordinary tao, mga workers, tricycle drivers, meron ka cellphone. Nakakita sila. So, how the business was kept alive, as I said, the number one problem mo, pag nag-start tayo, ay financing. So, maliit lang, siyempre, ipon natin, kailangan natin lumapit sa bangko. You have to be friendly with your bank. Makibiganin yung mga taga-bangko. And then, slowly build your credibility. Start small, huwag kang utang na hindi mo naman mababayaran. So, lesson learned, no? I wish to share, especially sa mga young ones ngayon na the business nga, you have to really push an extra effort. As I said, maliit yung chance ng success, no? In any business. So 50-50, you have to put in all your effort. Lahat ng knowledge mo, you have to persevere. You will face challenges, kaya kailangan hindi ka give up. As I said, hindi lahat ng years ay successful ka. Lalo na pa nag-start ka pa lang, dada ka talaga sa hirap. So it's up to you not to persevere. So, and advise the young future entrepreneurs, especially be financially savvy. By financially savvy, kailangan alam niyo yung paano umiikot ang pera. So, may mga months na maganda ang kita mo, it doesn't mean na gagastos ka kagad. You only buy the essentials. I think all businesses, there's such a thing as business cycle. Hindi lahat ng buwan ay maganda ang benta. There are ups and downs, there are rainy seasons, and there are summers. Pag rainy season, ayaw lumabas ng tao, hindi umiikot ang pera. So, kailangan nakapag-ipon ka for those challenging months. So, and then, I think, kailangan niya, at this time, maging aware na kayo sa social media, maraming opportunities. Like the Chinese, ang sabi ng mga Chinese, ang problems ay opportunities. So, every time na may nakita yung problema, it is an opportunity for you to give a solution or to sell a solution to that problem.